Okay. Max, I'm coming. Oh, sorry guys. We're gonna play of Minecraft, and I'm playing with Max. Go check out first video, Nerf gun video with me and Max. Okay, go check it out and please hit that subscribe button. Now watch this cool video. I don't know what Max is doing down there, but he's looking at the ground. I don't know why Max is looking at the ground, but it's crazy. I'm gonna go smack him. Wait, I think I got an idea. Mom! Max is hungry. Oopsie. I didn't know when this went off, but I'm sorry if you didn't see some of the video. I was just talking to Max about that at the beginning. It was my first take and then it wasn't working, so another video, just saying. I thought it broke, if you get that. Oh, potatoes and seeds. Oh dang. I'll put one potato. They look the same. Max, where are you? I think it's my 5th time. Oh god. What is Max doing? Is Max gonna get killed? Okay, I'll get the sword. What? How are you killed? Good news, Max found a spider, and I don't know if that's good news or not. Oh, it turns out the skeleton killed you. At least you had 32 potatoes. I mean 30 potatoes. That's funny. I'm sorry if there's some lag. I keep eating this potato. I'm sorry if it's loud. There's nothing else I can do there. Why did you kill a horse? Funny. On him, and a thumbs down means you don't. Leave your comments down below. Oh, I can craft this. Gerald, come back here. Okay, okay. Bad news. I just lost all my wood. There's husks northwest, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Max is really far. Village? Coming back to the village? Oh. Well, good news, I found some melons. I found the melons. I get the melons. Have you found anything yet? What are you gonna do? Oh, I was gonna kill the villagers. Yes, I'm making a YouTube video. So what do you say? Bad news, it went off. Leave a like for Max another video. The more thumbs downs we get, the less videos you'll see Max in. How did you drown? Did you jump in the water? He's a noob. Why did you jump in the water? Oh, just so you know, you're not supposed to do that. Don't kill my sheep. News, I lost my, I see Gerald and Joy. Gerald kind of ran away. Alexis. What? Come on. Get up here, sheep.
Can you just do it?
No.
Please? Can you please?
At least. No, you will have to breed.
No.
I'll get a baby. If I breed again. Oh, I can't breed. I'm going to get you. Swipe. 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 How much health? Like 1.5. Bye-bye.
Can we play that?
Come on, let's just play.
If
Why do you always want to play P versus Z?
just please let me.
Sorry guys, but here with Max. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Max does want to do part 2. Okay? See you guys later.